So it's one of the most successful team buildings that I have ever organized in my entire life or in my entire career. Because of course, it promotes really ano 'no, teamwork. Kasi
Hmm.
hinati ko yung ano, eh, I think mga sa second ano 'to, second experience ko na 'to when I'm the one who organized na 'no. I think mga 6 or 7 groups 'to, and then each group is composed of different members from different departments. Yun talagang
Hmm.
yung parang kumbaga parang they don't know each other,
Mm, mm.
but they are grouped together, right? As group members, and then they are working together to solve a puzzle. They're working together to do the challenges, and it's a race. Parang it really promotes teamwork. It promotes camaraderie talaga, and they are having fun at the same time because part of the challenges there is that they have to dance, they have to do TikTok and something like that. So it was a really fun activity. And then at the end of that team building, parang the following week, Monday, parang they're saying hi na to each other. Pero before that, parang they're just passing each other by lang, yung ganon, right? So
Mm, mm.
nakakatuwa yung outcome ng team building na yon.